This is Tim here from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your Android or vice versa. So I'm going to be using this USB drive just because it's so darn easy. Now, if you're trying to use Google Photos, you're only limited to 15 gigabytes, and then you're going to get a lot of spam emails from Google, and it's going to cost money. So this USB drive is free. So you probably have one of these adapters laying around. This one came with my Samsung phone. It's USB-C to USB, and I can just plug this in. Now, if you do have an older iPhone, you're going to have to buy one of these adapters. This is a Lightning adapter, so I can just plug this in to my USB device and then plug it into my iPhone. And now I can go on my iPhone and I can save photos to here. So we can save some photos to it. Let's do that now. So go to the Photos application, open this up. Locate your photos, so you can go to select, and you can select multiple photos if you want. Okay, there's two of them. We can go to the share option, and we can just go to save to files. So we can go to save to files, tap it right here, go to the back arrow. Now we want to go to our USB drive. It's called no name on mine for some reason. Tap this. Find a folder in here, or you can create a folder with this button. You can go to new folder right there. But I'm just going to save it into my USB drive. It's not in a folder or anything like that. So it should be in there now. Now, if you were to copy photos from your iPhone or, your Android phone, what you want to do is going to be a little bit different process. We have to go all the way to the right and go to Files under App Library. Now, you're going to go to the back arrow and go to your USB device, tap this, and then find the photos you want to save. So you can just tap one, or you can tap multiple. If you go to select again, boom, boom, select it. Go to this little box with the up arrow, and then you want to save it to files. So let's save it right here, and then it's going to be under your main gallery. Okay, so I saved some photos to it, and then I also transferred some from my iPhone. Let's go to my Android phone now. So this is really good if you're trying to transfer over like 100 gigabytes or something like that, which isn't that much actually. So a lot of my phones now have about 520 gigabytes total, and I take a lot of pictures. So I have this plugged in now to my Android phone, and it's going to be the same process. Just swipe up and go to search and go to files. And then here's files or my files, both are going to work. Then I can see my USB storage device right here. I can tap this, and I can locate the photos, the images that I just transferred over. I think it was maybe this one right here, or maybe this one right here. Okay, so I can just hold down on it now. Boom, boom, or you can go to select all, and you can copy or move it. So let's go to copy, and then we can copy to my internal storage or SD card, and we can just find a location. So a lot of times you just save in the DCIM or something folder, and then I got camera, and I can copy it here. So very easy to copy to there. Now to save images to it, so you can transfer your iPhone, you can just go to videos or images, tap this, hold down on it, or you can go to select all and you can copy or move it down here at the bottom. Go over to your USB storage, and then you can copy it here. So very easy, go ahead and do this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.